Y'all, I was good till I got to this point. Step 7. What is all this? I'm good with directions, but y'all should have broke this down in like 2 or 3 different steps. This is too much. Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, and I am getting ready to meet my family at iHOP so we can have breakfast before my aunt and my cousin leave. Yeah. And they had went over to my brother's house last night. I didn't know. I was at the gym. It's 9:41. I want to leave here by 10 o'clock. While that dries, what are we gonna do to the hair, you guys? We're gonna leave it in a ponytail. We're gonna put it down. I think put it down, and if I get tired of it, then I'll put it in a ponytail. Yeah, I like my big jumbo braids. And you know, a lot of people be saying, "Ooh, knots are ugly. Knots are not cute at all." This is cute. This is cute. Forget what everybody else say. If you like your style and you want to rep what you like, do it. Don't care about nobody else. Do you?
Okay, what's the name? Take your time, man. What is that? No,
my husband ain't. It's like, yeah, like the over easy fry. That's the head. It's waterproof too, right?
No, this one ain't waterproof. Meek, I'm not gonna get you.
Yes,
I'm not gonna get you.
Water is wet.
Bless you.
Ain't bad. Did y'all have TVs on y'all plane? Hey.
Very much. I love
Clink, 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 clink,
clink, clink, clink,
Get that camera. Get that.
Yeah, y'all go around checking that on break.
Get this shit.
Y'all ready? Yeah. First, let me get a video. You need to come in some?
Hey, she said, maybe your people want
Put this in the mail.
You put this, when I get this, I'll see you.
Okay, y'all, so that was a fun time with my family from Cali. I was like, what does that sound? That's my mouth. Okay. So I was with my family from Cali. We had a blast, y'all. We had a blast. Yay! Okay. So it's time to go home. Clean up. Get ready for the gym. Okay, y'all. So I've made it home. And to get ready to put my TV stand together. Get some light in here. But light me up an incense. Which incense I want to smell? Light me up an incense. And start building this TV stand. If I can open it.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Tell me in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Posing if you said the right. I just wanna fit in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy.
till I got to this point. Step 7. What is all this? I'm good with directions, but y'all should have broke this down in like 2 or 3 different steps. This is too much. So I think I got a little bit of it.
I gave it all I could. Stuck in a stereo. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. There's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this headline, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana is not desabotage. There's got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh. Another place, your love is wicked, wicked, wicked. Kill them. I can't get through my day. You feel me?
As you can tell right here, I kind of messed up because you see those things on the outside of that left side? Yeah, I had to redo that.
That you're not mine, and I was wrong to think you changed. I wish you could stay with me another day. Stay with me another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you stay. Make me stay crazy. I'd give anything to hear you say. I've been loving you eternally. My mind eternally. You're just wicked. Tears on my pillow 'cause your love is wicked. Cry me a river 'cause your love is wicked. Friends come around say your love is wicked, but the kisses when you give don't you know it's wicked. Wait for your call 'cause your love is wicked. Can't sleep at all 'cause your love is wicked. Pain in my heart 'cause your love is wicked, but the love when you give don't you know it's wicked. You got to forget over you, and nobody ever remedy or a cure. Some of got the doctor or emergency crew. I make your feelings for you, for you, for you. Me you got to forget over you, and nobody ever remedy or a cure. Some of got the doctor or emergency crew. I make your feelings for you, for you, for you. Oh, your love is wicked. Oh, your love is wicked. Oh, your love is wicked.
Okay, you guys, so we're almost done. I had to let my drill charge because do everything else by hand. So I've let that charge. Now I'm gonna do the ending part. I think I said yeah, I got 10% battery left. I think this is the last step. Yeah. And then I got my glass on. So things lining up pretty good, you guys. Okay. So I have to put 2 of them up in there. I'm gonna get back on here when I get to put these things on here. So this was the final outcome. I love this. The only thing I didn't like about it was that it's so short. I did not know that it was going to be that short up under my TV. But these are soft closed drawers. Excuse the train behind me. But these are soft closed drawers, so you can just barely close them and then they'll close the rest of the way softly. And you can change the colors on this. But I do love it. I just hate that it's so short. But it's a great addition to my living room. Goodbye, you guys. Love you.